G'day guys, down here in Brisbane today. We've just bought this absolute cracker for Davo. Well done, mate. One of the boys my brother Simon grew up with in Sydney. Absolute legend. This is the third property he's bought with us in the last 5 years up here in Brisbane, and I think he's bought some good stuff, but this one is an absolute cracker. So Davo's been working as a lineman for Energy Australia in Sydney, basically since I've known him. He's just had his first little bub with his beautiful partner, and he's living down there on the south side of Sydney now. When Davo came to us originally 5 years ago and started to talk about his plans for the future, it was really about setting up himself with 3 or 4 great investment properties that were going to get him long-term growth with great cash flow that he could buy, and then once he'd finished buying them, his plan was to pay them off and to have a passive income stream of over $100,000 per year. So super excited to come show you. Come take a look with me now. Now, some of the things that I'm so excited for this property is the beautiful big, almost 700 square meters of land. The fact that it's brick, tile, slab on ground, meaning that his long-term maintenance costs are going to be significantly lower. The owner, we've just found out, has just repainted the place, is replacing all of the blinds for him as well. They've completely tidied up the yard as well. Now, we were able to pick up this cracker for $465K. It's an extremely good suburb with an average household income well over $1,700 per week, a vacancy rate literally below 1%, and we think that this 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home should rent for at least $430, even up to $450, $460 a week. Now, after walking through the property on FaceTime literally a moment ago, his intention for the property is to keep it in its current form. Longer term, open up some of those internal walls to make the kitchen, living, dining much bigger. Some of the concrete areas out here, just retile them and make them look a little bit better. And he said there might even be some room in the backyard for a secondary dwelling or granny flat longer term. But either way, I'm so excited about this property for you, mate. You've absolutely nailed it. The Australian Financial Review a couple of weeks ago is suggesting that house prices between 2021 and 2032 at the Olympic Games in Brisbane may as much as double. Commonwealth Bank and Westpac are suggesting house prices for the rest of 2021 in this area will grow by a further 6%, with another 10% next year and a 10% the year after. Things are looking incredible, mate. I'm so happy for you and grateful to be a part of your team and for this purchase. Cheers, bud.
Sweaty, so sweaty. Oh, that's good.